Hello children, today let us learn grammar from textbook page number 74. Textbook page number 74. The topic is simple past negative. Okay children, what do we mean by simple past tense? Yes, the action which finished, which we have done in the past is represented by simple past tense. Now let us see some simple past tense sentences. Pinocchio started for school. So here the word started shows simple past tense. Pinocchio started for school. Now, if we want to write it in negative sentence, how can we write it? So in negative sentence, we use the word not. Negative sentence, we use the word not. Now how can we change it into negative sentence? Pinocchio did not start for school. Okay children? So in past negative, we add did not, and then the verb started becomes start, only start. Okay, next sentence. The audience grew impatient. Here the past tense is grew. How can we change it into the simple past negative? Very nice. Right. The audience. Then we add did not. Did did and what is not. And grew simply becomes grow. Did not grow impatient. One more example. Pinocchio went in. Pinocchio went in. So what did Pinocchio do? He went in. How can we change it into simple past negative sentence? Pinocchio did not. So what is the V1 form of went? Go. Did not go in. Pinocchio did not go in. So by adding did not and verb in V1 form, we can change a simple past positive sentence into simple past negative sentence. In a negative sentence, always we use words like not, never, no one, nobody, nowhere. Such words are called negative words. So, how can we change simple past positive into simple past negative? By adding did not and verb in the simple form, V1 form. So, started becomes start. Audience grew. Grew becomes grow. Went becomes go. Now, shall we do the exercise given in page number 74, B bit? Yes. Let us do this exercise, B bit. Okay. First example, 2 examples I will do. Remaining you have to do on your own. Any doubts will be there. Please, we will discuss the doubts in the next Tuesday class in the Zoom session. Bhaskar lived in a big city. What is the question? Bhaskar lived in a big city. What is the verb here? Right. It is lived. So how we will write the answer? In simple past negative. Bhaskar did not. Lived becomes live. Did not live in a big city. Okay, children? Second one. He liked to see many cars on the roads. So what is the verb here? Yes, liked. Now how we will change into simple past negative? He did not like to see many cars on the road. Okay, children, remaining sentences, try on own, write in the textbook, take its picture, send it to the English group. Thank you, children.